What is up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to make a little extra cash by taking back your returnables if you live in one of the following states on top of the can. So in some states you can get 5 cents, and in a couple other states you get 10 cents, but here in New York you get 5 cents. So you can take them back to any of your local recycling stations, or even grocery stores have these machines. So we're going to get back to you. So you can go around sometimes in your neighborhood collecting. You find them on the street. You find them on garbage day. People put them out in their recycling. But it's a nice way to make a little extra cash. And I know it takes some time, but a bag like this is usually $8, $9. Crushed ones sometimes don't go, sometimes they do. And all it takes is you just to stand here and feed the machine. It does all the rest, and then you go inside to the counter with the tickets, cash them in. We're already over $1. Do this regularly, you can make a decent amount of extra money. Be sure to ask your friends, your neighbors, because they might have a garage just full of returnables that they'll give you. A lot of people could care less about taking these back for the 5-cent deposit that they paid on them, and it will add up. I mean, if you make $10 extra a month, you're looking at $120 a year. I mean, it just depends on how big you get into it. And then you can put all that money into a jar, and at the end, count it up, or you can just write down in a log how much you made. It looks like that's all of our cans and bottles. Next is to move on to glass. Glass is pretty cool. You just put it in. Coronas in there. Over $1. And that's our last bottle for $1.80. These are all the ones that didn't take. So these are okay. I can take these all have a deposit on them still. I can take these to the can center where they count them for me sometime if I get enough of them. And this is what we made today. $10. Time to go cash this out. Okay guys, it is just that simple. I made $10 just by collecting bottles and cans. Now think of that, $10 per month for a whole year. This puts me at $29 for the year so far. Thanks for watching.